Look at the world around you. What do you see? You see people who are offended by everything. People who are enslaved by their own impulses. Men and women who crumble at the slightest sign of adversity. They are addicted to comfort. They are addicted to validation. They are bleeding their energy into screens, chasing the applause of ghosts. Now, look in the mirror. Be honest. Do you see the same weakness staring back at you? Most people go through life like a leaf in the wind, blown here by a compliment, blown there by an insult. They have no anchor. They have no core. They are not living. They are merely reacting. But you are here because you suspect there is a different way. A way that was forged in the fires of ancient history, practiced by emperors who ruled the world and slaves who conquered their own minds. This is not about feeling better. This is not about positive vibes. This is about building a fortress within your mind that no external force can breach. Welcome to Philostrion. Today, we are not just talking about philosophy. We are declaring war on the weakness inside you. We are going to explore 7 Stoic laws that will strip away the soft layers of your modern conditioning and reveal the iron character underneath. If you are looking for comfort, click away. This video is not for you. But if you are ready to ascend, if you are ready to take command of your own existence, then listen closely. Law number 1. Construct the fortress of silence. We live in the age of noise. Everyone has an opinion, and everyone feels the desperate need to broadcast it. You post about your breakfast, you tweet your complaints, you share your plans before you have even taken the first step. You are leaking your power. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we should listen more than we say." This is not just polite advice. It is a strategic imperative. When you constantly speak, when you constantly seek validation for your plans, you are handing over your authority to others. You are asking the world, "Is this okay? Am I good enough?" The Stoic does not ask. The Stoic acts. Think of the most powerful person you know. Do they chatter endlessly? Do they explain themselves to everyone who questions them? No. Their silence is heavy. It commands respect. Stop telling people what you are going to do. Stop announcing your grind. The world does not care about your intentions. It only respects your results. Every time you keep your mouth shut when you want to complain or brag or gossip, you are storing kinetic energy. You are building pressure. And when you finally act, that action will hit with the force of a thunderbolt. Build your fortress. Let your silence confuse them. Let your results shock them. Law number 2. Perform a ruthless audit of your circle. Epictetus, the slave who became a master philosopher, warned us, if you associate with a dirty person, you will get dirty. It is a brutal truth that most of you are too polite to accept. You are tolerant of mediocrity. You surround yourself with people who drain your spirit, who question your ambition, or worse, people who are perfectly content with being average. You might say, "But I want to help them." You cannot help a drowning man if he pulls you under with him. Stoicism is not about being cold-hearted. It is about protecting your sovereignty. If the people around you are obsessed with celebrity gossip, video games, and cheap dopamine, their mindset is a virus, and you are infected. Look at your phone. Look at your messages. Who are these people? Do they sharpen you like iron sharpens iron? Or do they dull your edge? A Stoic is selective. He understands that time is the only resource you can never get back. To give your time to people who do not respect your path is a form of suicide. Cut the dead weight. Walk alone if you must. It is better to be a lone wolf on the path to greatness than a sheep in a flock walking toward the slaughterhouse. Law number 3. Amor fati, love your fate. This is the ultimate test of a Stoic. Anyone can be happy when life is going well. Anyone can be calm when the sun is shining and the bank account is full. But who are you when the storm hits? Who are you when you lose your job? When your partner leaves you? When you get sick? The weak man looks at the sky and screams, "Why me?" This is unfair. He plays the victim. He wants a refund on his life. The Stoic looks at the chaos and smiles. He says, "Good." Friedrich Nietzsche, heavily influenced by the Stoics, described amor fati as the formula for greatness. It means not just bearing what is necessary, but loving it. Why? Because the obstacle is the fuel. Imagine a fire. If you throw a small twig into a candle, it puts the flame out. But if you throw a giant log into a roaring bonfire, the fire consumes it. The log becomes the fire. You must be the bonfire. When a problem arises, do not shrink. View it as raw material. This setback is a chance to practice patience. This betrayal is a chance to practice self-reliance. This pain is a chance to forge resilience. Do not wish for an easier life. Wish for the strength to endure a difficult one. Stop tolerating your life and start embracing it, scars and all. Law number 4. Kill the ego before it kills you. Why are you so easily offended? Why does a rude comment on the internet ruin your day? Why does rejection feel like a knife in your chest? It is because your ego is too big. You think you are the center of the universe. You think the world owes you respect. You think people are thinking about you. Let me liberate you with a harsh truth. Nobody is thinking about you. They are thinking about themselves. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome, the most powerful man on earth, constantly reminded himself that he was just a speck of dust in the infinite timeline of the universe. He wrote to himself, "Alexander the Great and his mule driver both died, and the same thing happened to them. Dust to dust." When you realize you are nothing in the grand scheme of things, you become invincible. Because if you are nothing, you have nothing to lose. You can take risks. You can fail and laugh about it. You can be rejected and move on in seconds. The ego is a heavy shield that you carry around, trying to protect an imaginary image of yourself. Drop the shield. Let the arrows hit you. You will find that they pass right through. You are not your reputation. You are not your job title. You are the will that chooses how to respond. Law number 5. Practice voluntary suffering. We live in a society that worships comfort. We have air conditioning, soft beds, endless food, and instant entertainment. We have become soft. Seneca, one of the richest men in Rome, would purposefully spend days living like a beggar. He would eat scant food, wear rough clothes, and sleep on the floor. He asked himself, "Is this the condition I feared?" Why would he do this? To immunize himself against fear. You are afraid of poverty because you have never been hungry. You are afraid of the cold because you never leave the heater. You are afraid of effort because you are addicted to ease. You must introduce controlled suffering into your life. Take the cold shower, not because it's a health trend, but because your mind screams no, and you must force it to say yes. Fast for 24 hours to prove that you are not a slave to your hunger. Wake up before the sun when your body begs for sleep. When you voluntarily choose the difficult path, the involuntary hardships of life lose their sting. You are training for a war that may never come, so that when it does, you are the only one left standing. Callous your mind. Law number 6, master the dichotomy of control. This is the cornerstone of Stoicism. There are things up to us and things not up to us. Up to you, your judgment, your intention, your desire, your discipline. Not up to you, the economy, the weather, the traffic, the opinions of others, the past, the future. Most of your anxiety, most of your depression comes from trying to control what belongs to fate. You are trying to wrestle with a ghost. You are angry at the rain for making you wet. It is insanity. A Stoic withdraws his energy from the external world and focuses it entirely on his internal command center. Did you do your best? Yes. Did the project fail? Yes. Then you are at peace. The outcome was never yours to command. When you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, you gain infinite power over what you can control. You become laser-focused. While others are panicking about the news, you're working on your skills. While others are crying about the unfairness of the system, you are navigating through it. Focus on the arrow, not the target. Aim true, pull the string, and let go. Once it leaves your bow, it belongs to the wind. Law number 6, master the dichotomy of control. This is the cornerstone of Stoicism. There are things up to us and things not up to us. Up to you, your judgment, your intention, your desire, your discipline. Not up to you, the economy, the weather, the traffic, the opinions of others, the past, the future. Most of your anxiety, most of your depression comes from trying to control what belongs to fate. You are trying to wrestle with a ghost. You are angry at the rain for making you wet. It is insanity. A Stoic withdraws his energy from the external world and focuses it entirely on his internal command center. Did you do your best? Yes. Did the project fail? Yes. Then you are at peace. The outcome was never yours to command. When you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, you gain infinite power over what you can control. You become laser-focused. While others are panicking about the news, you are working on your skills. While others are crying about the unfairness of the system, you are navigating through it. Focus on the arrow, not the target. Aim true, pull the string, and let go. Once it leaves your bow, it belongs to the wind. These are not just 7 laws to memorize. These are weapons. But a weapon is useless if you do not pick it up. The world wants you weak. It wants you distracted, docile, and dependent. It is easier to sell things to a weak man. It is easier to control a frightened man. Rebellion is not marching in the streets. Rebellion is disciplining your own mind. Rebellion is waking up and doing what needs to be done, regardless of how you feel. The path of the Stoic is steep. It is lonely. It is hard. But the view from the top is clarity. I do not ask for your likes. I do not ask for your approval. I ask for your resolve. If you are ready to walk this path, if you are ready to kill the weakness inside you, then prove it. Do not just watch the next video. Go out and apply one of these laws today. The door is open, but only you can walk through it. Ascend.